Good morning, students. So let us quickly recap what we have studied till now. Okay, so let us study. On 25th, we have studied about the chemical properties of acids and bases. Okay, in that first one was the reaction with metals. Okay, so reaction with metals, when acids react with metal, then salts are formed with the removal of hydrogen gas. Okay, so this one is hydrochloric acid, zinc is the metal, then zinc chloride is the salt formed, and H2 is the hydrogen gas evolved. Okay, similarly is the case with the bases also. Base plus metal gives us salt plus hydrogen gas. So here NaOH or sodium hydroxide is the base. So similarly base plus metals gave us salt plus with the evolution of hydrogen gas. Okay, so NaOH is the sodium hydroxide plus zinc, then what is formed? Sodium zincate, which is a salt, and with the removal of hydrogen gas. Okay, so now the second property was reaction with metal carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates. So in that, when acids reacts with metal carbonates, then salt plus CO2 plus water is formed. Okay, with the formation of salt, carbon dioxide is evolved and the water is also formed. Okay, so this is the reaction. See, similarly it will acids when react with metal hydrogen carbonate, then also salt plus carbon dioxide plus water is formed. Okay, see, HCl plus sodium carbonate, salt, sodium chloride is formed with the removal of carbon dioxide and water. Okay, similarly hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydrogen carbonate, then salt, sodium chloride is formed with the removal of CO2 and water. Till now this much we have studied. Okay, now we will learn about the test. Okay, we will learn about the test. How can we identify that CO2 gas is formed in the reaction? Okay, so we will learn today we will learn to check how the CO2 gas is formed, or the presence of CO2. How can we check the presence of CO2? Okay, तो जो CO2 जो बनी है हमारी रिएक्शन में, उसका प्रेजेंस हम लोग कैसे चेक करेंगे, आज हम लोग स्टडी करेंगे उसको इन डिटेल में. ओके, so CO2 can be checked by passing the gas through the lime water. Okay, the gas which is formed, we already know that CO2 is formed in the reaction. Okay, and if you want to check that, then we will pass the gas evolved through lime water. Okay, so CO2 can be treated by passing through the lime water. You all know what is lime water. Lime water is simply nothing but chuna pani. Okay, so what is lime water? Chuna pani. And what is the formula of lime water? It is CaOH whole twice, which is calcium hydroxide. So let us see what will happen. Okay, so when we pass CO2 through calcium hydroxide, okay, so this one is calcium hydroxide. Okay, calcium hydroxide, and when we pass CO2 through it, then it turns lime water milky. Okay, लाइम वाटर कैसा हो जाता है? मिल्की हो जाता है. ओके, लाइम वाटर टर्न्स मिल्की विद द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ वाटर. और मिल्की किसकी वजह से हो जाता है? मिल्की ड्यू टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. ओके, दिस वन इज calcium hydroxide. Okay, so calcium hydroxide plus CO2, what the product is formed? Calcium carbonate is formed. Okay, so it is milky. Okay, so हमें क्या पता चलता है कि हम CO2 को जब लाइम वाटर से पास करते हैं, ओके, और कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड से पास करते हैं, तो कैसा हो जाता है? तो वो मिल्की हो जाता है. ओके, तो यही हमारा टेस्ट था CO2 को कन्फर्मेशन का। ओके, तो क्या है हमारा टेस्ट है CO2 के कन्फर्मेशन का, कि जब हम कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड से CO2 को पास करते हैं तो लाइम वाटर मिल्की हो जाता है। और मिल्की क्यों हो जाता है? ड्यू टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट। ओके, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट की फॉर्मेशन की वजह से लाइम वाटर मिल्की हो जाता है। ओके, एंड व्हेन एक्सेस CO2 इज पास्ड, ओके, सी व्हेन एक्सेस ऑफ CO2 इज पास्ड, जब ज़्यादा अमाउंट में हम लोग CO2 पास करते हैं तो क्या होता है? ओके, तो क्या होता है, ये जो प्रोडक्ट बना हुआ है CaCO3 कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, इसके साथ में CO2 रिएक्ट करके कैल्शियम हाइड्रोकार्बोनेट बना देता है। ओके, CaCO3 प्लस CO2 गिव्स अस व्हाट? CaHCO होल थ्राइस। ओके, HCO होल थ्राइस। ओके, सो व्हाट हैपन्स, सी जब हम एक्सेस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को यूज़ करते हैं तो वो प्रोडक्ट जो बनता है कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, उसके साथ में रिएक्ट करके क्या फॉर्मेशन हो जाता है? कैल्शियम हाइड्रोकार्बोनेट का। व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज कैल्शियम हाइड्रोकार्बोनेट एंड दिस वन इज कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट। इट इज मिल्की। ओके, ये कैसा होता है? मिल्की। अब कैसे पता चलेगा कि कैल्शियम हाइड्रोकार्बोनेट बना है? ये कलरलेस होता है। कैसा होता है ये? कलरलेस। ओके, तो रिएक्शन क्या है कि हम लोग क्या करते हैं? पहले तो कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड से CO2 को पास करते हैं। व्हेन वी पास CO2 थ्रू कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, देन व्हाट इज फॉर्म्ड? Calcium carbonate is formed. Okay, and when excess CO2 is passed through it, then what happens? It combines with the product see what? This carbon dioxide combines with the product to give us what? Calcium hydrocarbonate, which is colorless compound. Okay, which is colorless. So have you all understood about this? So now we are moving on to our next reaction, which is reaction of acids and bases with each other. Okay, reaction of acids and bases with each other. Okay, जब ये साथ में combine होते हैं तो क्या form होता है? I am going to write it down what is formed. Okay, so you all write it down the definition. I will write it down in the symbolic form. आप लोग definition लिख लो जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ और मैं उसको symbolic form में लिख दूंगा. Okay, so when acids and bases reacts with each other, then when acids and bases react with each other, then salt formation takes place with the removal of water. Okay, so in symbolic form what it will be? Acid plus bases reacts to give what? Salt plus water. Okay, so when acids and bases reacts with each other, then what is formed? Salt is formed with the removal of water. Okay, so let us take one example. HCl is acid, NaOH is base. What is this? This is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. And what is this? This one is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. And what is the product formed? It is NaCl. And NaCl is what? Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. And what is sodium chloride? Simply salt. Okay, this one is base, this one is acid. So acid and base reacts to give us what? Sodium chloride salt with the removal of water. Okay, with the removal of water. So this reaction is also termed as neutralization reaction. Neutralization Okay, so you write it down the definition. I am going to write it down for you. When an acid and base reacts to form water and salt, then that reaction is called as neutralization reaction. Okay, so what is neutralization reaction? When acids and bases reacts with each other or reacts to form water, reacts to form water, then the reaction is called as what? Then the reaction is neutralization reaction. Okay, neutralization reaction. Okay, so when acids and bases reacts to form water and salt, then the reaction is called as what? To form water, sorry, one, to form salt and water. Okay, see, one thing is missing here, salt and water. Okay, salt and water, then the reaction is called as what? Neutralization reaction. Okay, so from, see, HCl and NaOH, this one is what? Acid, and this one is base. Okay, so what acid will provide? It will provide H plus ion, and what base will provide? It will provide us OH minus ion, and they will simply combine with each other to form salt, and these H plus C, this is Na plus and Cl minus will combine to give us what? Salt, or and H plus and OH will combine to give us what? Water. ओके, सी, हमें एसिड से क्या मिलेगा? H प्लस आयन एंड Cl माइनस आयन, और बेस से क्या मिलेगा? Na प्लस आयन एंड OH माइनस आयन. तो Na प्लस और Cl माइनस कंबाइन होकर क्या बना देंगे? Na प्लस Cl माइनस कंबाइन होकर क्या बनाएंगे? सॉल्ट और सोडियम क्लोराइड, और जो H प्लस और OH बचा हुआ है सोल्यूशन में, वो कंबाइन होकर क्या बनाएगा? वाटर. Okay, hope you all have understood what I have taught you till now. So students, tomorrow we'll start some new topics. Okay, till then, goodbye.